July 25th, I believe. And to your disappointment, yes, we are raking hay with the John Deere 4600. We'll use the compact utility. Yeah, we don't run this very hard. We only run about 1500 RPM. But we're going to make some windrows and belt up after a bit. So, yeah, just stay tuned. I'll show a few more clips to the ride along Raking Hay. And then, you know, be patient. You're going to get to see the 806 and New Holland 565 baler going today. So, yeah, just be patient. Come on back. And we'll show you something right or wrong anyway. But hang on. Be back in a little bit. Okay, folks. If I did this right, what I'm going to do is, I've got my rake set narrow right now. As you can see over here, I'm going to put these two rows together, but in order to do that, I got to widen out the rake here after I get done. So, that's my method of madness on raking the hay. I'm not tet today because it ain't that heavy, and I just had a morning dew on it. It's pretty much dried off, so we're looking pretty good overall. But yeah, keep on hanging on. I'll eventually get you the 806. Just hang on. Okay, YouTubers, if I've done this right, I should be able to go drive on this windrow here, this one here, take this basket, pull it over, and grab this windrow here, and pull it over, and make one bit bigger windrow, if I've got my spacing right. Now, one other odd thing I do, I always rake the middle first. I tend to do it first, and then I do my ends last. Now, before you go start asking questions, why is that damn fool doing it that way? Well, it's so I don't have my end rows all mashed down, because when I come out of the off the center and out of the windrow, I'm going to come out, I'm going to turn, and I'm going to go back in. When I turn, I'm going to mash this hay. I'm going to mash it down, and it doesn't get, you know, mash it down so air don't get to it quite as well, and all that excuses. But if I take and I wait and I do the end rows last, then they're fluffed up and they pick up easier and leave less behind, so to speak. Anyway, yeah, let me get going here, and I'll try and get a clip or two of how this works out going across the field for you, and then depending on how long this video is, I'll get you the 8 and the 565 baler. Just be patient, it's coming. So hang on. And here we are. I'm gonna have to go back over that one. I screwed it up bad. Messed that one up trying to show you what I was doing, but silly thing. I lean and turn, the wheel turns with me. Let's try this way. I hope that turned out into something. I'll probably have to go back over this one. But, I just wanted to show you what it kind of looks like from behind. But this is why I like lots of room on the end. I can turn around just like that, line up, and come right back in where I need to be. Anyway, there you go. We'll get you some more stuff here in a little bit, so stay tuned. Okay. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. Got the 8 out. As you can see, already got the field hunted up. Made a few rounds. Got the 565 baler out. Got several baler around the outside. There's not a lot in the middle. Now, my method of madness in baling hay. I'm going to take this one last row here out. I'm going to skip over 3 rows. And I'm going to take and come back up this row here, skip over a row, and just keep skipping around like that. And that way I'm not putting my PTO in near as tight a turn or anything like that. Anyway, and we'll just get going here. So hang on, let's fire her up. That's what I'm talking about on the end. There's plenty of room to turn. Spin around the field. Now I'm going to skip 3 rows. We're going on the 3rd row. Skip this one, skip this one. Going on the 3rd. Don't put the PTO in here fine or anything. It don't hurt nothing. It's going to wagon. Gives you more room to keep it easier on your equipment. That a long time ago. Skip about 3 rows and go back in. 3 rows. It goes a lot easier. Anyway, there you go. I'll give you an update here as soon as I'm done. This shouldn't take long. About 10 more minutes, I'll be done. Alright, take care. Be right back. Alright, YouTubers, let's do this again. Here we go. Alright, got the little 2-acre hay field baled up. 806 did really good. Hopefully, the clip I put in, you'll enjoy it. Finally get to see the 8 out in the field running. You'll finally get to see the 565 New Holland Square baler making bales. Hopefully, you'll enjoy that. It did pretty good. It made about 80 bale off this little 2-acre hay patch. Made some pretty good looking hay, I believe. Some crap in there, but yeah, a little light, but yeah, we made some decent looking hay off of it, all in all. So all I gotta do is just clean things up, clean the baler up. We'll put it back in the barn until next time. But all in all, I can't complain. The little tractor did good raking the hay. With the little 4600 John Deere with the New Holland 254 tedder rake. Did pretty good raking my hay up for me. Off in the distance there, it's a future project I'm working on. Taking an anhydrous running gear and going to make it into a hay wagon. I'm going to make it an 8x16. And that way I can pull around and get bales off the field easier. Or if the wife gets froggy and decides to help out a little more, we'll hook onto the hitch on the baler and let her stack hay on the wagon. But she won't run the 8. It says clutch is too stiff for her to do, but whatever. Anyway, there you go. Baling's done. 8 did okay. Again, repeat and repeat. But all in all, please comment, rate, subscribe. Hey, thanks for watching. And those of you that found the channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. I do appreciate when you subscribe. I'll try to keep you entertained somehow with all the crap I do around here. All in all, thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.